Hi guys, at this time this is my station here, the local bar and grill. Ayan, at dito yun. Tada! Napakalaki ng space dito guys. Ayan. Easy. Alright. May tuligs here. Welcome to local. This is our area. Dining. The restaurant here. The capacity from the guest here is maybe it's 200. As I guess it's a big restaurant here also. Yun, malaki yan. As you can see guys, always busy here when they start open the restaurant in lunch or maybe in the morning also, the breakfast starting up to evening was busy straight continuously, no stop, busy here. So see you again guys. Thank you for watching.